In this part of the information, I'm going to talk about revision and advice for parents and carers on how to support your child with their revision. Your child would have received and brought home a timetable for their mock examinations. The mocks begin on the 2nd of November and finish on the 13th of November. One way to support revision is to create a revision timetable. Students will be given a timetable during form time, and the template is available on the ColdU website in the Key Stage 4 revision area also. The best way to start the timetable is to put in all of the leisure time, including approximate for food and bedtime. Then add in subjects of what and when they're going to revise. Once it is complete, it's important your child sticks to it. And this really should be over the period of, say, the mock examinations at first. The current topic for Year 11 tutor program is revision. So we will be talking through the timetable, the template, and how it can best be used, but also a number of other revision strategies that students can be using to maximize their revision. So these could also be gone over at home. One online strategy is Seneca, and it also has a parent feature. So do encourage your child to register and start using Seneca. Speaking to parents and carers, we know exams and preparing for exams can be frustration, not just for your child, but also for you as the parent or carer. But it's important that you persevere along with your child with the revision and provide that support. Your role may include partnering with ColdU School by attending events as you are, say, this evening with this information evening, and asking any relevant questions on behalf of your child. Providing the tools for homework and revision, such as a quiet space, which will be very important during revision time, and then materials such as flashcards or post notes, whatever your child may be using for actual revision. Being a study buddy as well, showing interest in all of their subjects and testing them when they ask you to. An emotional supporter, reassuring them that things will be okay, and being a project manager by setting the rules and helping them get started and advising them to rest. And then lastly, advocating on behalf of your child any concerns that they have so they can be addressed by us at school as soon as possible. Tips for parents and carers. Your most important role is encourage and praise your child. Put key dates in your own diary so you can support them before there is a panic. Discuss with your child their future goals. If they've got a goal in mind, this may help, or it will help actually motivate them to succeed. So whether the next stage being post-16 to sixth form, apprenticeship, college, and then later, whether it's university, and talking about what actually their job or career goals are, will motivate them to want to be successful. Consider using rewards to motivate your child. Rewards can help. They can help greatly. They're not to be understood as a bribe, but to motivate your child in wanting again to be successful in their exams. If your child becomes overwhelmed at all, talk to them or talk to the trusted adult at ColdU School. If your child asks for help, encourage them to continue to do so, and then let them know that you're proud of their efforts. Useful websites to consider is ColdU School website itself, with lots of material on the school website to help yourself and your child get started with revision. Firefly is something that's new to the school. It's a virtual learning environment where teachers are uploading material for your child to access, and your child will have a username and password to begin already using Firefly. Seneca, as I've already spoken about, and BBC Brightside also provides excellent learning material across examination boards. Thank you for listening.